Plantain cheese lover, I hope you are there. So my people, I don't bring us another best way when it be say now you go take dey fry your plantain cheese. When it come happen say you no want go outside go buy those just that they sell for outside, so you want make your own at home, make you know how it is sweet. So make you watch this video, make you see how I take fry this plantain cheese. That's one how they call sit down and chill. Hello sweet soul, welcome back again to my channel. This is Lady B Kitchen. Today is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and for my returning subscriber, may God keep on blessing you. So my people, let me show you how this ogbonge delicacy is being made. Making this plantain cheese, I will be needing plantain, and here I have my plantain. I have already pinned the body of the plantain. So here I have 2 ripe plantain and 2 unripe plantain. I know you'll be asking how am I supposed to know the ripe one and the unripe one. Don't worry sweetie, I'm going to differentiate it as we start. So first of all, we are going for the unripe one. So here is the unripe one. I just started slicing it now. You can see it, and I will just slice it like this until everything is well sliced. I will just slice it little by little like this until everything is well sliced. So let's go my people as we do this together. After slicing one of it, this is how it look. You see how flat and simple this look my people. So I just let this to be flat so that it will enable us to fry and get a sweet dry. I'll just keep it aside, then slice the remaining one. Remember, I tell us that we are using 2 unripe and 2 ripe plantain for this recipe. I will slice the second step the same way I sliced the first step. So this is the second step. I will just slice it the same way I sliced the first step. Slicing your plantain cheese, you don't have to make it to be that big. If it's that big, it will not be nice and lovely outcome. So you have to slice it so that it will be just flat, just like this. So now I'm done slicing the 2 unripe plantains. So after slicing the 2 of it, this is the quantity. All I will do is to keep it aside. You see it look, and this is how it look after slicing. What I will be doing now is to season it with a little bit of salt. So I will use this salt to make sure that it touches all over the body of the plantain. So after doing that, I will keep it aside for this to rest for just 5 minutes before I will begin to fry the plantain cheese. Just take a good look at that. So I'll just keep this aside after seasoning it. So guys, it's time for us to slice the ripe plantain. So here is the ripe one. You can see that this is more softer than the first one. So that is why I'm going to slice it differently, and I'm going to fry it differently. Just take a good look how I'm slicing this. It's a different way entirely than the first one. So I will just slice it like this until everything is well sliced. Still on it guys, after slicing the first step, what I will do now is to take my knife and divide the plantain into 4 equal sides. Just take a good look at that. I will just divide it into 4 equal sides like this, and this is how I will slice the rest of it. This recipe is very simple, and the outcome is so amazing guys. I really like the outcome. Both of them, I really like the outcome. So it is very simple, and it's very nice and lovely outcome. So now I'm done slicing the ripe one, and this is how it look after slicing. All I'll be doing now is to transfer it inside a large bowl. So I'll just pour all of it inside this bowl, and now it's ready, and it's ready to fry. So my people, just take a good look at that. Just take a good look at it. This is the quantity of the 2 ripe plantain I just finished slicing now. So now I'll be seasoning with some paprika powder and salt to taste. I'll just add a little bit of salt, then make sure that everything touches the body of everything. So I'll just make sure that I stir and then let everything to get combined. So that is all my people. Now is ready to fry. So before I will be frying this, I will still let this to rest about 5 minutes before taking it inside the oil. So after doing that, I will just keep it aside. So now it's time to fry. What we'll be frying is the first one, that is the unripe plantain. So now I'll be frying the unripe plantain. I'll just add all of it inside this oil. The oil is hot already, then I'll be adding the plantain little by little. You can see how I'm adding it. I did not just pour everything at once. I'm just using my hand to be adding it one after the other. In case you want to fry yours, you don't need to pour everything at once, because when you do that, it will enable the plantain to stick together. Because you don't want to see that, you have to add it one after the other. Just take a good look at this after adding all of it inside the oil. Just see how simple and one pieces, all of it is just pumping there. So that is all, my people. I'll be frying with medium heat about 20 to 25 minutes with medium heat. So I will just stand beside and make sure that I'm stirring all the way. I will not go far. I don't want to burn my plantain chips, so I will be just stand beside of the oil and be stirring. Just a medium heat, my people. I did not use high heat, I did not use low heat, just a medium heat until everything is well fried. That is when I will bring it out from the oil. Doing this, you don't have to go far, because when you go far, before you come back, you might burn, so you don't need that. So now it's ready and it's ready to chew. So now I'll just take it out from the oil, my people. So this is it after frying. So I'll just take it out from the oil, then keep it aside. Just take a good look at that, my people. Just see how clean and nice this look. So I'll just take all of it out from the oil. This unripe one, I fry it 2 different times. So this is the first step. So the second step, I did not show it on camera, so I do that off camera. So I'll just take it out from the oil. Now it's time for me to fry the ripe plantain. Just take a good look at that. I will just turn all of it inside the oil. I hope you are feeling the difference, my people. You see, this one that I'm frying now is the ripe plantain. You see how I just turn everything inside the oil. I did not even put it one after the other. I just turn everything inside the oil. So that is all, my people. So the difference is there and is clear. I'll just take my spoon and make sure that everything gets fried, and I will be stirring all the way. Just take a good look at that. I will be stirring all the way so that everything will get dry and light and lovely at come. So I don't want this to burn, and that is why I will still stand beside and make sure that I'm stirring. So until it's well fried, and that is when I will take it out from the oil. Just take a good look at this, my people. Just take a good look at this. I like eating unripe plantain, and I like eating ripe plantain. So that I like plantain chips so much, and I still love eating ripe plantain as well. So that's why I just say, let me just show this video like this. If you are a fan of unripe plantain, you can go for the plantain cheese. So if you are a fan of ripe plantain, you can go for the ripe one. So that is all, my people. I will just make sure that this thing is well fried and well nice. So I will still be taking me a little bit of time to fry. So after frying, my people, just take a good look at this. So we are done frying the plantain. All the plantain cheese is here. So after frying all of it, this is how it look. You can see how I'm breaking. So crunchy, guys. This is so dry and it's so nice. Just take a good look at that. So this is the ripe one. You can see that. So this is how it look too. So my people, this is this recipe. I know you enjoyed watching. I will not ask you if you enjoy watching this video. I know you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give it a try. I love eating plantain chips so much. So that is one of my favorites, guys. I love it so much. You can see how I'm breaking it, just like you will see that my daughter is there, like she likes it so much too. So she likes eating chips, and this plantain chips is one of them. So you can see that, my people. I will just be serving it on this glass. So this is the glass I will be serving it on. I have enough of it already. I have enough of it. Like this glass now, I have up to 6 to 7 of it in my fridge. So this is what I always do, because I'm that kind of person, like what I want to put in my mouth. Like if I just sit down, like waiting person go just throw for mouth. So I like my mouth to be moving like every time. So that is why I like to be making of this. If you're one of me, like if you're one of us that like to put something in your mouth when we are just like sitting, so this is the right video for you to watch. Please give it a try, and don't forget to share this video, drop your comments, and drop your thumbs up on this recipe. I'll be seeing you in my next one. Keep staying safe and keep enjoying your Christmas in advance, your New Year in advance. I will see you all 2022, because I know that all of us is going to be there soon. So my people, I love you, and if you love this recipe, please give it a try. See you in my next one. Bye bye.